Are your blood sugar reports slightly higher than normal but not yet diabetic? Then you might be in the gray zone called pre-diabetes. And if you ignore this, full-blown diabetes might not be far behind. But here's the news. You can reverse it naturally. Hi, my name is Kirti Prakash. I'm the host here at Healthy Way Fit, and we help busy people like you in reversing their diabetes without any kind of medicines or ugly tasting food or any kind of military regime. Most of the people I meet, they don't even know they're pre-diabetic. And even if they do, they ignore it because they feel okay. But pre-diabetes is silent, and if you don't act now, diabetes will knock on your door before you even know it. So in this video today, we'll break down all the simple steps of what it is so you can understand it practically. The video is divided into 4 clear parts. What is pre-diabetes? Understand what this gray zone literally means. How doctors diagnose it with 3 simple tests. Can it be reversed naturally? Real science-backed answers. And what you should do today, your action plan for reversal before it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll know whether you're at risk or not, and more importantly, how to reverse it before it becomes into full-blown type 2 diabetes. Segment 1. What is pre-diabetes? Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone for a routine blood test, just a general health checkup, and your doctor tells you your sugar is little high, but you don't have diabetes yet? That not yet diabetic zone is what we call pre-diabetes. It's that middle stage where your sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to officially call it diabetes. Technically, आप अभी diabetic नहीं हो, but your body is clearly struggling. It's like you're standing on a cliff, you haven't fallen yet, but one small push, one wrong move, and you'll fall straight into type 2 diabetes. Think of it like a traffic signal. Green means normal, red means diabetes, and yellow, that's pre-diabetes for you. A warning, a pause, not a full stop, but definitely not safe to ignore. Now, pre-diabetes means your insulin resistance is increasing. Your body is still making insulin, but it's not using it properly. And as a result, sugar is starting to build up in your blood instead of going in your cells for energy. But here's the biggest danger. Pre-diabetes has no big visible symptoms. Sometimes it do, but mostly it doesn't. And that's right, no tiredness, no extra thirst, no blurry vision, nothing major or scary. Most people feel completely normal until one day they're suddenly told you have diabetes. और ये तो सबसे scary part है, because when there are no signals, तो हम कुछ करते भी नहीं हैं. It's like that one person in your office meetings जो बोलता ही नहीं है, एकदम quiet, harmless looking, but the moment the meeting ends, they start spreading confusion, miscommunication, और सब घुमा देता है. That's pre-diabetes. Quiet on the surface, but doing damage underneath. Now, you might be wondering, if I feel fine, why should I really worry? Let me tell you why. Because even in pre-diabetes stage, slow damage is already happening in the back end. Your body is already under stress, and that stress shows up in places you don't even notice until it's too late. Your nerves can start getting weak, especially in your feet and your hands. Your eyesight can start to fade away slowly. Your kidneys will start struggling to filter and function properly. Your heart becomes more vulnerable to pressure and cholesterol issues. ये सब under the radar चलता रहता है till your blood sugar hits 120 and plus, and your doctor then finally writes on your prescription type 2 diabetes on your report, and you're scared. But listen, here's the good part. Pre-diabetes doesn't mean your body has given up. It just means your body is asking for help. It's like your car's check engine light, which says there is something to address here. The car is still running, you can still drive, but if you ignore the warning light one day, your engine will stop. Same thing here. Your body is saying, boss, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. अभी ठीक कर लो, नहीं तो बाद में बहुत दिक्कत होने वाला है. And the best part is, this is the earliest stage to reverse it. Pre-diabetes can be fixed without insulin, without harsh medicines, just through simple basic lifestyle tweaks. But first step क्या है इसके बारे में? First step is awareness. आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि this is not a casual sugar fluctuation. This is your legit wake-up call. So if your fasting sugar is between 100 and 125, or your HbA1c is between 5.7 to 6.4, then yes, you're in that gray zone. But you don't need to panic because you caught it at the wrong time. और अगर आप अभी भी एक smart step ले लेते हैं, तो you can reverse it before it even starts hurting. Segment 2. How do doctors actually diagnose pre-diabetes? So you know now that pre-diabetes is actually fixable. So the next big question is, how do we know if we really have it? Because जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, pre-diabetes has no real big scary symptoms. You won't feel any different. You won't know your sugar is slightly high until you check it. So how do doctors actually figure it out? Simple. There are 3 main tests. No rocket science. Just basic blood tests. Let me explain each one of them in a super simple way. Number 1. Fasting blood sugar. This is the most common test. You go to your lab early morning, empty stomach, no chai, no breakfast, none of that, no even biscuits. They take your blood sample and check how much glucose is floating in your blood when you haven't eaten anything. And here's how your numbers work. Normal means less than 100 mgdl. Pre-diabetic means roughly anything between 100 to 125. And diabetes actually means 126 and above. So अगर आपका fasting sugar 110 निकला, you might feel, oh, that's okay. But technically, that's pre-diabetes. Number 2 test. Oral glucose tolerance test, also known as OGTT. This one is slightly more detailed. Especially useful if your fasting sugar is borderline. You go to the lab in the morning and they give you a super sweet drink, 75 grams of glucose in the water, and after drinking that, you sit and chill for 2 hours. No food, no chai. Then they test your blood sugar again. Why? Because this tells how well your body handles a sugar load. And here's what the numbers mean. Normal means, which is under 140 mgdl. Pre-diabetic means 140 to 199. And diabetic means 200 and above. So if your reading comes back to 160 after 2 hours, that's pre-diabetes for you. It means your body couldn't handle the sugar properly and left too much floating in the blood. Number 3, HbA1c. Now, HbA1c is a 3-month sugar average. This is one of the best tests to get a full picture. It doesn't just show today's sugar, it tells you the average sugar levels of the last 3 months. How? Your red blood cells carry sugar and leave a mark on them. The lab measures how much of that sugar is stuck to your blood cells. Simple. Here's the range. Normal is equal to under 5.7. Pre-diabetic means 5.7 to 6.4. And diabetic means 6.5 and above. So if your HbA1c is, let's say, 6.2, that's a red flag. Your sugar has been elevated for months and your body is not processing it well anymore. Even one test in the pre-diabetic range is enough to confirm that you're in the gray zone. You don't need all 3 to be high. Even one is enough to take that action. It's like scoring 36 marks in an exam. You didn't fail, but you definitely didn't pass. And अगर अभी मेहनत नहीं की, तो next time fail भी हो सकते हैं. So if your test results fall in between this zone, don't ignore it. This is your chance to reverse it before it turns into full-blown diabetes. Segment 3. Can pre-diabetes be reversed? Okay, so you've done your blood tests, your sugar or HbA1c came back a little high. Doctor ने बोला you're in the pre-diabetic range. Now what? Most people panic and think, बस अब तो lifelong medicine शुरू हो गया है. But let me tell you something. And listen carefully. Pre-diabetes is not a disease. It's a warning. It's like a yellow traffic light. It says caution, change something now and act so that you don't have problems later on. It's not red yet. You haven't crashed. You can still steer your health back to normal. In fact, research says, yes, pre-diabetes can be fully reversed. Let's look at some data. According to studies, only 2 out of 100 people with pre-diabetes setup develop into full-blown diabetes each year. That means 98% of people still have a full chance to stop diabetes before it fully starts. Isn't that really hopeful? And here's even a better fact. In a long-term study, scientists found that pre-diabetic individuals for 10 years, guess what? 86% of them reversed their pre-diabetes completely without any kind of medicine, just through lifestyle changes. अब सोचिए, अगर उन्होंने कर लिया है, तो क्या आप नहीं कर सकते ये? So no gym, no injections, no expensive supplements required. What are these lifestyle changes? Let me break it down for you. Super simple and super doable. Number 1, cut down refined carbs. Most of our sugar spike comes from wrong kind of carbs. White bread, maida, paratha, biscuits with chai, bakery items, noodles, samosa, सब कुछ refined ही तो है. ये सब आपके blood sugar को turbo mode में भेज देते हैं. Start replacing them with complex carbs. Millet roti, brown rice, oats, besan chila. Number 2, start your day with protein. Breakfast is not the time for sugar. It's time for fuel. Have a protein-rich meal to keep your blood sugar stable for hours. Simple Indian ideas. 2 boiled eggs with handful of almonds. Paneer bhurji plus sprouts. Moong dal chila plus coconut or some onion chutney or some green chutney. No toast jam. No aloo parantha. Definitely no biscuits. Number 3, walk after meals. This is a game changer. 10 minutes walk after lunch and dinner is magic for sugar control. Why? Because when you walk, your muscles are using up all the sugar that's stored in your bloodstream. और जब muscles use कर लेते हैं, तो blood में sugar जमता ही नहीं है. Number 4, fixing your sleep. Good high quality 7 to 8 hours of sleep is non-negotiable. When you don't sleep well, your insulin resistance shoots up. That means your body is starting to store more sugar in your blood. So stop binge watching till 2 a.m. Netflix से ज़्यादा आपकी हेल्थ जरूरी है. Number 5, टी स्ट्रेस. वर्क स्ट्रेस, फैमिली टेंशन, ट्रैफिक, सब कुछ ब्लड शुगर बढ़ाता है. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, and cortisol raises your sugar levels. So take 10 minutes every day. Do deep breathing, walk barefoot on grass, meditate, or just sit in silence. Bottom line, pre-diabetes is fully reversible. And the best part, you don't need to do everything perfectly. Just smart, simple steps, one change at a time. Now this is your chance to bounce back. It just needs a little help from you. And are you ready for that? Segment 4. What you should do today. You understood what pre-diabetes is. You know the tests. You've seen that reversal is possible. लेकिन अब सवाल है कि आज क्या करूं? What you can do today, not 6 months later, to get your sugar back on track. Let me give you a simple, no-nonsense 3-step action plan. No confusion, no big changes, just real simple doable steps. Step 1. Get yourself tested. This is the first and most important step. Don't guess, don't assume, don't say, मैं ठीक हूँ यार, कुछ नहीं feel हो रहा. Sugar doesn't wait for symptoms. You have to catch it before it gets worse. If it's been more than 6 months since your last test, do this. Ask your doctor for a fasting blood sugar test taken on an empty stomach. HbA1c, your 3-month sugar average. OGTT, optional, but very useful if other tests are really borderline. And final, your fasting blood sugar. These 3 tests actually give you a full picture of where you stand. And remember, even if just one value falls in the pre-diabetic range, it's a signal to act. Don't wait for confirmation on all 3. You don't need permission to take care of your health. Step 2. Fix your breakfast. Trust me, most sugar problems in India or across the globe begin from basic breakfast mistakes. I know how mornings are. You're running late, you grab chai plus toast or coffee or maybe even a biscuit packet. Or it's aloo parantha plus achar, sometimes with glass of juice. Now here's what happens. Within 30 minutes, your sugar spikes like crazy. और जब sugar spike होती है, insulin shoot करता है. Over time, this roller coaster leads straight to insulin resistance and boom, eventually you have diabetes. So what is the real fix? Make sure your breakfast is protein rich and low carb. Here are some simple, easy Indian options. 2 boiled eggs and handful of soaked almonds. Paneer bhurji with stir-fried veggies. Sprouts plus 1 teaspoon of chutney, coconut or hari, whichever you think is right. Moong dal chila with some tofu, 50 to 100 grams grated in it. Leftover sabzi plus salad from last night's dinner. You will stay full for hours. Your sugar will stay relatively stable if compared to other breakfasts, and your cravings will vanish. One rule: if it comes in a packet and ends in flakes or bites, really avoid it. Step 3. Move your body. Especially after your meals, this is your blood sugar's best friend. Just a 10-minute walk after lunch or dinner can reduce your sugar by 30% in terms of spikes. Yes, 30%. That's even better than some medicines. Why? Because when you walk, your muscles pull in sugar from your blood and use it for energy. That means less sugar floating around, less burden on insulin, and more balanced eating. And the best part? You don't need fancy shoes or a gym to make it possible. Just wear your chappals or even barefoot and take few rounds in your house or your balcony or your park. Even if you're just walking to the kitchen and back, do this 15 times. Ghar ka gym, sugar ka fix. That's it. No crash diets, no extreme workout, no confusion. Just 3 steps. Test your sugar, fix your breakfast, and move after meals. These are small, desi-friendly changes, but they create massive shifts inside your body. So don't wait, because the earlier you start, the easier it is to reverse it. So what's the truth? Pre-diabetes is not a disease. It's a signal, a chance, a awakening moment, and a pause that your body is trying to tell you that boss, abhi bhi time hai, let's not make it worse. And if you listen to that signal now, you won't just stop diabetes, you'll start reversing it naturally. So if your doctor ever says your sugar is little high but not diabetic yet, that's your golden window. Start small, walk a little more, and eat a little smarter. And if you want deeper help, I have something special. If you're dealing with diabetes and looking for the simplest, safest, and the most natural way to reverse your diabetes without relying on any kind of medicines, metformin, insulin, or even harsh military-style diets, our personalized one-on-one diabetes reversal mentorship might be exactly what you need. In this exclusive mentorship, you'll work directly with the team and you'll get close, tailored guidance where we'll not only address your issues of blood sugar, but also other surrounding issues and the root cause that causes it. We'll rebuild your health in a way that feels natural and actually fits your lifestyle. So that means no unrealistic gym routines, no boiled Karela diets, just practical desi solutions backed by science and designed for real people with real lives and not someone who's signed up for a gym and managing diabetes all day long. Because this is deeply simple and personal work, we can only take 10 to 12 serious people every month. To be eligible, you must meet these two criteria. You're serious and committed to reversing your diabetes. Number two, you have a proactive mindset, not a victim one. If this sounds like you, click on the link in the description. Book a consultation with my team and we'll assess your case and see if you're a good fit. We're excited to help you reclaim your health and finally experience what real natural diabetes reversal looks like. See you soon.